Samsung is looking to launch the first ever QLED slash OLED TV next year. It will be the first of its kind. Samsung who actually pioneered QLED TVs pretty much, and LG that has enjoyed success being the best manufacturer and sellers of OLED panels. Both technology have really pushed the display industry ever since the display industry moved away from LCD and plasma technology. It has been really a good ride because with OLED you get inky blacks, great contrast, good colors, great colors as well, and you will get great technology that is going to come next year from Samsung. So Samsung's display division is already promoting QD-OLED tech. Basically they're actually promoting it to two of the biggest players in the TV game, Sony and Panasonic, basically who source OLED panels from LG. So in theory, the QD-OLED would definitely become the holy grail of high-end TV tech by combining the deep blacks of an OLED panel and the outstanding brightness of a QLED display to give you the perfect mashup that everyone was looking for ever since OLED was announced and QLED was announced. So the hybrid manufacturing of these two products will be fantastic, as it would give the rise for it will give you the best perfect picture that you can pick up and buy. So the QD-OLED would come in 55 inches, 65 inches, 78 inches, and 82 inches, and it will be a great combination of perfect blacks, perfect colors, and incredible brightness that everyone has been looking for. So the Samsung innovation should be very, very interesting, and it's something that everyone should watch out for coming early next year, just in a couple of months from now, because Samsung right now is shaping up to be the top dog in the display market. LG has been the top dog for the past 5 years, but Samsung is really trying their best to come back as the top dog and dethrone LG, because LG has always been the top dog for the time they started really producing OLED panels. They have really dominated the market for many years now. If Samsung's test really works and it's very efficient and it is a very cool technology that people love, I can see this being the best display on the market and would give Samsung a big leverage over the competition. But granted, LG can actually still do the same thing, but the leverage here is that Samsung makes, I think, QLED panels, so LG will kind of have to source QLED panels from Samsung as well. So it is what it is. I'll keep you guys posted if I hear more rumors about this new tech from Samsung. Be sure to follow us here on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.